Hi everyone, this is Nestor, and in this video, I'm going to cover how to start with Chatgpt. Let's go. Hello everyone, I just wanted to make a quick how-to video on Chatgpt, how to log in, and how to get started with it. So very simple, you go to chat.openai.com and it'll bring you to this page, and you can log in if you already have a login or sign up. So I'm assuming you've never used this before and you want to start a brand new account. So you click on sign up and you will be brought to this page. In this page, you can add an email address and it'll take you to the prompt, or you can sign in with your Google account, you can sign in with your Microsoft account, or you can sign in with your Apple account using the single sign-on. Or if you just want to use your email address, you go ahead and input your email address right here. You will hit continue, and then it'll give you a prompt to add your phone number. You will follow that prompt, fill out the form to add your phone number. They'll send you a code that is used just to verify who you are, and then you will log in. Now, when you first open up ChatGPT, this left side here will be totally blank. I've been playing around with this for some time now, so I have a lot of chats here. So the way this is set up is very simple. You can start a new chat up here in the top left where it says new chat, and you'll get a blank page like this, and you will start with GPT 3.5. GPT-4 is for the Plus members, which is a paid subscription. Currently, it's a $20 a month subscription, but for free, you can start with GPT 3.5. Now, let's check this out. So you come down here, you enter a text. It's very simple. You talk to it like you would talk to another person. You ask it questions. You can ask very simple questions, right? So you are on a diet and you want a meal plan for the week. So just type in what you want to ask it, right? Let's say I need a meal plan and I want it to have 70% protein, 20% fat, and 10% carbs. Just hit enter and automatically it'll start giving you some information. Now, it remembers the things you talk about, so each chat is like its own individual conversation. So you can have many different little conversations, and it does remember what you were talking about in that conversation. So if I'm going to continue this conversation about meal plans, meal number 5, dinner, can you provide a recipe this? Of course, my spelling is absolutely terrible. So here it is right here. In less than 30 seconds, I obtained a recipe for this lean beef sirloin flank steak, right? So that's how the basics of this chat bot works. And you can continue with this conversation even further. Can you provide me a grocery list for this meal? So here we go. We have a grocery list for that meal itself. So that's just one example I wanted to give you, and just very basic. So log in, create an account, and just start practicing talking to this chatbot. It takes some time to build more detailed prompts, but you want to be very specific, just some couple of tips. You want it to be specific, and you want it to give the bot as much information as possible so that it can give you as accurate of an answer, and it really can give you the answer that you're looking for. So I highly encourage you to create an account. It's free, and start playing with this and get familiar with this chatbot aspect of artificial intelligence. Now, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, I'm going to post a link for my other video about what is artificial intelligence and why your future depends on it. So check that out. I'll put it in the description below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Consider subscribing for more how-to content, more information and news about artificial intelligence. Until next time, bye for now.